Hello and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Naomi, and today we will cook Hong Kong pineapple buns. This is a batter pastry topped with a golden sweet crust. Add cold batter to the hot pineapple bun and serve with a cup of lemon or milk tea. You will get a delicious afternoon tea. Now, let's do it. First, we will make milk bread dough and then make butter meringue. So, start by making the dough. First, put 215 grams bread flour into a pot. Add 3 grams yeast, 13 grams sugar, and an egg. Add 125 grams milk to the flour. Stir the flour while adding milk until the flour starts to stick. Then knead the dough. It will be very sticky at this time. But don't worry, all you need is to wrap the dough as if you are doing the laundry. When the surface of the dough becomes smooth, add 20 grams softened butter. Continue to knead the dough until the butter and the dough are fully fused into a flexible dough. Leave the dough to rest in a warm place until it rises to twice the original size. Next, it's time to make the batter meringue. Add 13 grams sugar into 14 grams softened butter and stir well. Then add 20 grams egg pulp, 19 grams cake flour, and 10 grams dry milk powder. Use your hands to mix everything together into a dough. If it's too dry, add a teaspoon of milk at a time until it comes together. Separate the butter dough into 8 equal pieces and roll them into balls. Take out the fermented milk bread dough. Knead some more to let the air out and cut it into 8 equal pieces. Roll them into balls too. The next thing to do is to assemble the dough and the meringue. On the plastic wrap, roll each meringue ball into a flat circle and put a milk bread dough on top of it. Wrap them with a plastic wrap so they are assembled. Use the dough scraper to make a pineapple-like pattern on the meringue. Put the pineapple buns on the baking tray and let rest for 20 minutes. After with second fermentation, brush with egg yolk. This will give the buns their bright yellow color. Preheat the oven to 118 degrees. Put the buns in the middle of the oven and bake for 15 minutes. When the surface of the pineapple bun is golden yellow, it has been baked properly. Take out the pineapple buns. You will see the topping starting to corrupt into that signature pineapple pattern. These buns taste fantastic when they are warm traced out of the oven. Completely cold pineapple buns can be stored in the refrigerator for a few days. Thank you for watching, and if you like my recipe, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next episode of Naomi's Kitchen. Bye bye!